So this is a real client website, 725 Print Lab. And what we're gonna do is add a testimonial section and a new page. This new page will go under the services parent page. And as you can see, looking at the home page as I scroll through, we currently don't have a section for testimonials. And so I currently have a content brief for both the testimonials and this new page that we're going to create using the Promptless connector. So what I'm going to do first is actually connect this. I'm going to our WordPress dashboard. We'll go to Promptless and then click Promptless connector, and we'll generate that connection. Now once we have this, simply scroll down and copy this command. We'll go over to our terminal. I'll paste that and hit enter. So now I have the confirmation that this is now connected. So now what I'm going to do is go over to Claude Desktop. Claude Desktop is open. I need to quit Claude Desktop and then reopen it in order for the connection to take effect. Now that I've restarted Claude, now I'm going to just add this initial prompt to have Claude run a WordPress pre-flight check. So now that you see it has access to the 725 Print Lab website. And I've also mounted the folder on my desktop that contains the content brief for the testimonials and for this new page that we're going to create. So I'm just going to simply say you should have access to the mounted folder on my desktop that contains both the testimonial brief and the content for the new screen printing contract page. Okay, so now it has access to these pages. And now I'm going to simply tell it, I need you to add the testimonials to the home page. So it says I'll add the testimonials to the home page between Y725 Print Lab and the final CTA as the brief specifies. So we'll just allow this. So it says now inserting a light testimonial section between the two dark sections. So it's done. Verified placement. And so now we can visit the home page. So let's go back over to the home page. And we scroll down, we should now see our testimonials added before the final CTA. And there they are. Added a light section to break up that contrast between these two dark sections, and added all our testimonials accurately. And so now we'll go back to Claude and we're going to create the new screen printing contract page. So now say, looks great. Now let's add the new screen printing contract page. So it has a few questions for us before it proceeds with adding the page. It says publish status. We'll go ahead and publish this live immediately. How should I handle hero? And section 7 imagery. We'll use existing 2026 production images. See, add the new page to the main navigation menu. Add under services recommended. So the page is live, shows the 8-section flow. So if we go back to the site and refresh it, we should see the new page in the menu. So let's go into services, and there's our contract screen printing. We have our hero section with our featured image. For this contract screen printing section, our cards, contract screen printing services. So this looks good. One thing I would add is add some icons to these cards. So we can go back to Claude and just say please add icons to the repeatable cards within this page layout. So now it's just reviewing the page. So this way it can find relative icons for each of these cards and repeatable sections. So it's identified the iconify icons for each section, and it's starting to apply these. So the icons are deployed. So let me go back to our page and refresh it. Our icons have been added. And we can still make edits to the page. So for example, I notice these two sections don't have featured images. So I can just simply go to edit with Promptless like I normally would with any page editor. And we'll just add an image here. Click on this section, go to layout, image, and we'll just select a random image from our image library. Add that, and then we'll add one image here as well. And we'll update that. Preview it in the front end. And so now our contract screen printing page is completed. That's 2 operations in about 10 minutes. Testimonials added to an existing home page, a new service page built from a brief, both from a Claude Cowork conversation. No copy paste, no manual page builder work. If this was useful, hit subscribe.